Paddy harvesting in Sri Lanka. Welcome to our channel. Today, we bring you the beautiful paddy harvesting season in Sri Lanka. Paddy farming is the heart of Sri Lanka's agriculture. When the fields turn golden, it is time for harvest. Sri Lankan farmers work with dedication under the sun, continuing a tradition passed down through generations. In rural areas, farmers still use traditional methods, while modern machines help increase productivity in large fields. The harvested paddy is carefully collected and prepared for threshing, ensuring good quality rice for the nation. After threshing, the grains are dried naturally under the warm Sri Lankan sun, making them ready for storage and milling. Rice is not just food in Sri Lanka, it is life. Let us respect our farmers and value every grain of rice. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.